dryness on your feet can lead to irritation, itchiness, and a lot of other ailments. The Derma Essentia foot cream is specially crafted for dry and rough skin, leaving your skin moisturized and healthy.
Let us show you how to correctly apply this cream. Start with soaking your feet in warm water for a couple of minutes. Gently pat your feet with a towel and apply the moisturizer while the skin remains damp. Make sure to spread the cream on both the bottom and top of your foot. Avoid applying between the toes since this can promote humidity, which results to fungal infections.
Make sure you do not apply this cream on broken and bleeding skin. Regular application of the Derma Essentia foot cream will leave your feet smooth and soft.